Hello YouTube, I'm Dr. Tactical and I have a question for you. What does the Atlas NYX, the Wilson Combat SFX9, the Nighthawk Korth NXS, and the Ronin custom-built RA5-SD have in common? Give up? These are the reasons I love being Dr. Tactical. Because thanks to this channel, I have been fortunate enough to have people lend me some really nice guns. And I've got some kick-ass videos coming up. And this is some great content. So if you haven't yet subscribed, please do so. And get ready to see some fun guns. I'm Dr. Tactical. Dr. Tactical, out.